Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Harjot Singh and this is my 05 G35. So I had a factory spoiler which I really just didn't like, and I wanted to remove that, and so because of that there was about 10 holes on my trunk that I needed to cover. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to cover those up, especially the ones that behind this, because there's two holes underneath right here that you can reach, but there are about other ones, all the other ones that you can't really reach from behind. I'm gonna show you guys how I filled those up. Um, so yeah, I'm not a professional. It was my first time. That's why you can kind of tell there's a little bit, you know, right there and there. So I'm making this video so you won't make the same mistake that I did, and so you can get it perfect as it can be. So it's pretty simple though. I'm gonna show you guys all the process. So what I did was basically fill those up with the Bondo, and then primer it, sand it down, primer it, and then I put the wrap on it, because that's what I'm doing with the whole scheme. Whole top part black, and then all the side and everything, all this blue color. So it's gonna be that, and so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. It's pretty simple. So first I had to sand everything down because there was double-sided tape residue and everything on there. Just clear everything up. So we're just gonna hammer them down just like this one, just enough so we can have enough room to put a Bondo on it. So just gonna do all of them first and then do the Bondo. Okay, so since we can't really get these holes from underneath, so what you're gonna do is just like take a cardboard or something, like either, or maybe wood or something, so you can like make it a little bit smaller from the sides, and take a hot glue gun and stick it on, just slide it under. Here I put one dot in the middle to stick a match on it, and then I put glue on the sides, both sides, so that way when I slide it under and pull it up, it can stick onto it. And then slowly just slide it underneath. And then just pull it up and wait for it to dry up, and then twist the match to remove it. Okay guys, so this is the Bondo that I used. Unfortunately I didn't record anything when I was mixing it up, and you can go on their website when you buy it, and they will show you how to mix it up. So basically all you need to do, get a cardboard or something, non-absorbent thing that won't absorb your Bondo. Just let's say just pour it on there. Let's say it's this much. So it's supposed to be like about inch thick. Take a hardener, make a one line cross, and then just like scoop it up, lay it down. You don't want to just do this because then you will introduce a lot of bubbles to it. So just scoop it up, lay it down until you mix it up, and then you can lay it down on your whatever you're working on. Okay, so we already put the Bondo on top of it. I didn't record it at the time. So yeah, just mix up the Bondo and put it on top after you done putting the cardboard underneath, so that way Bondo can stay on top of it. So now I'm just gonna sand it down, and yeah, it should be good, and then just primer it, and then I'm just gonna wrap the whole trunk. So I'm just done sanding everything down. Everything's pretty much level, just here and there, just a little up and down. It's not that big of a deal. I had to do it twice to kind of cover up all the small holes. So much better now. On the second time, I'm not gonna go over third time. It takes so much time. It already took me like 6 hours, I think. It's because I was just doing it by hands, not any power tools. So if you have power tools, use them. It's gonna be so much easier. But anyways, I'm just basically done sanding everything down. Okay, so I didn't record anything after that. Basically what I did, I washed the car and I get it ready to paint. So I just spray painted it. You can primer it if you want, but if you're gonna wrap it, I would say stick to spray paint because it's just better. Primer, when you do primer, wrap just doesn't want to stick to it that well. So spray paint is your best if you're gonna wrap it. And so yeah, I spray paint it, wrap it, and then I throw a little spoiler on it. The mistake that I was talking about was that I didn't put Bondo wide enough to cover wider area. So that's why when I sand everything down, everything was level. And when I looked at it, I could see the sides were a little bit higher, and the middle part where I put Bondo was a little bit lower. And it's all because I didn't put Bondo wider enough. So make sure when you do put Bondo, just put on a wider area so that way you get perfect finish. And so I learned my lesson. My front fender was also pretty banged up. Previous owner, he was saying that somebody hit it, so it was like pretty smashed in. I basically pulled everything out that I could, and after that, to smooth everything out, I just put Bondo on it as well. So I learned my lesson, put on a wider area, and it came out a lot better. So this is the fender. You can see it. You can't really tell if it was pretty banged up. I'll also put a photo where I will show you guys how it used to look and how it looks now. Okay, since you guys made it this far, hope you found this video informative. If you guys did, please hit the like button, consider subscribing because there's more stuff coming up for that G. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.